The 3 deadliest wars of the 21st century. Number 3. The Yemeni Civil War begun in 2014. This war pits the Houthi rebels backed by Iran against the Yemeni government supported by a coalition led by Saudi Arabia. The conflict has resulted 877,000 deaths. Number 2. The Syrian Civil War starting in March 2011, amid the Arab Spring. The Syrian civil war sets the government of Bashar al-Assad against a diverse coalition of rebel groups with foreign powers also intervening. The death toll stands at an estimated 500,000. This conflict has not only ravaged Syria, but also had significant global repercussions leading to massive population displacements and a migration crisis. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. The Iraq War launched in 2003 with an invasion spearheaded by the United States. This war spanned several years and was characterized by significant instability and tension among various ethnic and religious groups.